We are going to explain how to use Quick Pallet Maker to calculate the pallet with overhang. This means that the products on the pallet will exceed the available physical length of the pallet itself. The first step is to run Quick Pallet Maker. Now we will open a new data sheet starting from box dimensions. And we will use inches as our units. They have been already selected. If not, you can use units, select inches. We will change the pallet type to a 48 by 40, and we will import the data from a spreadsheet. In this case, we have a spreadsheet we have already open with a list of boxes. We copy them, and we paste onto Quick Pallet Maker. Here we will notice that some products are too long. Now, they are too long for the pallet itself. So what we'll do is extend the maximum load length of the pallet. We will edit it and change it to 84 inches. Once that has been done, we choose Tools, Calculate Box Shipment. And we have our pallet. You can see that it exceeds the available length in the physical pallet. If we want to see the different views, we go to Window Detailed Report and we click on Pallet Views. Thank you.